Inheritance. The transmission of genetic characters or qualities from parents to offspring is called as inheritance. DNA copying plays an important role in inheritance of characters from parents to offspring. It also brings about some variations each time. So, the offspring, though similar to the parents, subtly differ from each other. Variations exhibited by individuals can accumulate through heredity and produce some species that are more evolved than their parents. In asexual mode of reproduction, minor differences are observed in the offspring as the variations in DNA copying are very small. But greater diversities are generated during the sexual mode of reproduction that can be explained by the laws of inheritance. Heredity. Heredity is the transmission of traits, physical or mental, to offspring from its parents. The offspring of dogs are dogs, and that of humans are humans only. Inherited traits. Although offsprings resemble their parents, they differ in some aspects. The resemblance and differences are due to heredity. Mendel's laws for inheritance of traits. Mendel carried out research with garden pea plants and formulated the laws of inheritance. The basic underlying principles of inheritance he discovered also apply to man and other animals because the mechanisms of heredity are essentially the same for all complex life forms. Mendelian laws of inheritance are statements about the way certain characteristics are transmitted from one generation to another in an organism. The three laws are Law of segregation, Law of independent assortment, Law of dominance. The law of segregation states that every individual possesses a pair of factors for any particular trait, and the two members of the pair segregate from each other during the formation of gametes. The second law, or Law of independent assortment. Factors for different traits assort independently of one another in the formation of gametes. The third law, or Law of dominance. This states that out of the two contrasting characters at a time, only one is expressed, other remains suppressed. Mendel's experiments. Mendel based his experiments on the following visible contrasting characters of garden pea plant Pisum sativum. Tall and short plants. Red and white flowers. Round and wrinkled seeds. Axial and terminal position of flowers. Green and yellow pods. Grey and white seed coat. Mendel's monohybrid cross. A monohybrid cross involves only one pair of contrasting characters or traits. Through the monohybrid cross involving red-flowered and white-flowered pea plants, Mendel found that paired pea traits were either dominant or recessive. The trait that masks or hides its recessive partner is the dominant character. The parental generation P1. The red-flowered and white-flowered pea plants used as parents for crossing are the plants of the parental or P1 generation. The first filial generation F1. The generation of plants produced by P1 generation is the first filial or F1 generation. Mendel observed that all the flowers of F1 generation were red. He realized that red was the dominant factor while white was recessive. He concluded that F1 individuals contained factors for white flowers too. We call these factors as genes today and represent the dominant genes by capital letters and recessive genes by small letters. The genotype of an individual comprises the genetic makeup of the individual with reference to a single trait, set of traits, or the entire complex of genes inherited from both the parents. The phenotype is the observable characteristics of an organism such as shape, size, color, etc. The red-flowered plant of P1 generation has genotype represented by capital RR and produces only one type of gamete represented by capital R, while the white-flowered plant of P1 generation has genotype represented by small rr and produces only one type of gamete represented by small r. Thus, the red-flowered plants of F1 generation have genotype represented by capital R, small r. The second filial generation, F2. Mendel allowed the F1 plants to self-pollinate to obtain the second filial or F2 generation and observed that both red-flowered and white-flowered plants were produced. Out of a total of 929 pea plants, 705 bore red flowers and 224 bore white flowers. Thus, the phenotypic ratio of red and white flowered plants was 3:1. The three genotypes were homozygous pure dominance represented by capital RR produced red flowers, homozygous pure recessive represented by small rr produced white flowers, heterozygous hybrid represented by capital R small r produced red flowers. The genotypic ratio was 1:2:1. Mendel's dihybrid cross. Mendel's dihybrid cross involved two pairs of contrasting characters for seed shape and color. He crossed a pea plant that was homozygous and dominant for round, represented by capital RR, and yellow, represented by capital YY seeds with a pea plant that was homozygous and recessive for wrinkled represented by small rr and green represented by small yy seeds. Parental generation P1. The genotypes of the P1 generation were capital RR YY and small rr yy. The pair of genes capital RR or capital YY for one character in the parental generation segregates independently from one other. Capital RRYY plants produce capital RY gametes only, while small rryy plants produce small ry gametes only. Thus, in a gamete, a character is represented by only one of the genes of the pair. First filial generation F1. The plants of the F1 generation all had round and yellow seeds. All the plants of the F1 generation plants referred to as dihybrids had round and yellow seeds and were heterozygous for both traits. The F1 generation plants were allowed to self-pollinate to give rise to second filial generation. They produced 4 types of gametes: small ry and capital RY, known as parental combination, as they are similar to the P1 gametes, while capital R small y and small r capital Y were termed as recombinations. Second filial generation F2. Mendel observed that the F2 plants of his dihybrid cross had a phenotypic ratio of 9:3:3:1 and produced 9 plants with round and yellow seeds, 3 plants with round and green seeds, 3 plants with wrinkled and yellow seeds, and 1 plant with wrinkled and green seeds. 9 genotypes were capital RRYY, capital RRY small y, capital RR small yy, capital R small r capital YY, capital R small r capital Y small y, capital R small r YY, small rr capital YY, small rr capital Y small y, small rr YY. These combinations can be represented on the Punnett square.